जयति हरिरचिन्त्यः सर्वदेवैकवन्द्यः परमगुरुरभीष्टावाप्तिदः सज्जनानां निखिलगुणगणार्णो नित्यनिर्मुक्तदोषः सरसिजनयनोऽसौ श्रीपतिर्मानदो नः. My dear students, dear lovers of Sanskrit literature, today I have come with a very good Subhashita. It is a good Subhashita in such a way, it makes your life more brighter, and also if you follow the themes of this Subhashita, one day you will become a great leader. Many people often say, if I become a crorepati, how it will be, like that they will be dreaming. If I get this much salary per month, how will be my situation? How can I buy a plot, or how can I buy a car? How can I lead a luxurious life? Like that many will be calculating, many will be multiplying all such things. Those dreams won't become true, but yet they continue to be in that fascinating mood. Many times anyhow we look into the journals or the papers in such a way where the lucky persons are mentioned that they have won the bumper prize in the lottery. 50 crore he has won, 1 crore he has won, 25 lakhs bumper he has won in lottery. Like that we look into such kind of things, and suddenly having read the person's name, after some time we throw that newspaper into the dustbin. It is often said, today's newspaper is tomorrow's waste paper. Surely we throw it into the dustbin. Some interesting personalities are there. What they have done means, they have made a survey. In this year, how many have won the bumper prize? How they have spent? Like that, a survey was made all over the globe. Various state governments are there, various central governments are there, various other financial organizations are there, and they conduct in some way or the other way some kind of lottery, some kind of declaring bumper prize for the winners, like that, lucky fellows. Like that anyhow they conduct and give huge amount to them. Someone made a survey, who all have won the prize, how they have invested, for how many years they were rich. Like that a survey was done. After the survey of various bumper winners, one thing has become clear. Most of them who has won the bumper prize of 50 crores or 1 crore or 25 lakhs, within few years they were as before only. In very rare cases, they were rich till their death, and his next generation led a medium life, and the second or the third generation were fully care of footbath. The money they have earned was not passed on to the next generation, because they spent all the money without any kind of viveka or without any kind of intelligence, and so that they became bankrupt at the end of their life, if not maximum for 2 generations. Afterwards, the third generation was in care of footbath. If it should not happen, that means my grandfather was rich, like that if I introduce what you are, what is your bank balance, like that someone will ask. Then what to do? Don't rely upon your ancient person's glory. It has nothing to do with that. What is your contribution or the hard work? That is what the people do ask. Some people won't rely upon the glory of the ancient people. They simply smile and said, in our family no one has achieved, why should I achieve? Like that anyhow they say. Both are dangerous. Setting aside the other aspects, we should work hard and achieve the goal. For this reason, I am having a Subhashita to you, which gives the message that you should work hard, even if your ancient people have not worked hard. And you should retain that glory, or you should establish that glory in such a way so that you will be worshipped by the world. Shall I read that Subhashita, students? See here. Shila bala jata charana rajasa yat kulashishoho sayevayam suryaha sapadi nija sparshe ksharashilam sprishan bhuyo bhuyo nakalu kurute kam api vadun kule kaschid danyaha prabhavati naraha shlagya mahima. What does this Subhashita say to us? Rama was with Dasharatha. Vishwamitra approached him, and Vishwamitra took Rama and Lakshmana along with him. And after Rama and Lakshmana having blessed the Vishwamitra's sacrifice, then as per the directions of Vishwamitra, they were moving. They came to Gautama's ashrama. In Gautama's ashrama, Rama touched a stone which was cursed to be as a stone by Gautama. And as soon as Rama touched that stone by feet, suddenly that Shila was transformed into Bala, a lady. And that lady was Ahalya. Ahalya prostrated to Rama and felt that she has crossed the misery, and now she got a new birth. Like that she felt, and she worshipped Rama. Rama's feet touched the stone and transformed the stone into a good lady. Shila bala jata charana rajasa yat kula shishoho. Who is that Rama? Rama is born in the solar race. Chanda Kirana Kula Mandita Rama. Like that, Rama has been appreciated as the child of the solar race. Look at that sun. That sun every day moves from one place to the another place, and his rays do touch all the stone. Has it transformed any stone into a lady? He has not transformed any stone into a lady by his race. But the child of the solar race, Rama, not by even his race, but by his grace, he transformed the stone into a good, beautiful lady. What was not done by ancestors was achieved by young chap, that is Rama. So, don't say that our ancestors have not done, why should I do? Rama did such a thing which ancestors cannot dream. So, Sprishan bhuyo bhuyo nakalu kurute kamapi vadin. Again and again, sun is touching the stones with his rays, but he has not transformed anyone into a lady. But Rama is successful and he has transformed. Not everyone will become a gem. Not all students who join the university will become golden medal winners. Only few will become campus all-rounders. Only few will become gold medal winners. In the same way, kule kaschid danyaha. Not all those who are born in the scientist's clan, or who are born in the rich person's clan, or who are born in the teacher's clan, will become teachers or scientists or warriors. Kule kaschit prabhavati. Only one among them will become like that. Students, while you are proud of your ancestors, or even if you want to excel them, you should have that vision, you should work hard, and you should put your efforts continually. Then only you will become. So from this day onwards, look at that sun, smile at him. What sun has not achieved, I will achieve. Like that you think, smile like Rama, pledge on that way and achieve the goal by continuous hard efforts with sincerity. I hope this is a great message for you and you will practice it a lot. I will come with a good Subhashita in the next session. Shri Krishnarpanam Mastu.